take a look in my eye, so you can witness the extreme damage caused by betrayal. Make you sorry for the fact that you attempted and failed. Make you eternally suffer, you was one of my men's. Turn your back on me, I'ma make sure you get it back times 10. Stay true. Now that's the one thing I religiously pledge. If you ain't with me, I'ma throw you way over the edge. This means war.
Look inside, you can run and you can hide. If you cross my path, I'll make sure you feel my wrath. Give and you receive, cherish every breath you breathe. Scriptures on the wall, those who betray all must fall.
As I cherish every blessing and I greet you with hugs. You my peoples, when I see you I embrace you with love. Yeah, I be the one to come and get you out of the hole. Yeah, you be the one to run and leave me out in the cold. So amazing how many times you plot and you scheme, but what you don't realize, you never conquer my dream. The devilish karma can't penetrate the steel of my armor. Time passed by, the pressure got you living with drama. Paranoid in my retaliation, living in fear. Disloyalty will have me kill my brother, shedding a tear. Such a shame how you could easily get trapped in a zone and have to